Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be ELEMIS Lavender Toner. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about skincare, please don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any beauty video. This is the toner. I have my phone and I'm going to read you guys the claims about this toner. It claims it is a toner that softens the skin and is suitable for normal dry combination and oily skin. And the ingredients it has lavender, sweet betty flower, and it's supposed to hydrate the skin, leaving it balanced and softens and making it looking and feeling fresh. It retails for $40 and it's available on Amazon. This is the toner. Now I am going to smell it. Okay, it has a strong lavender scent to it, so please keep in mind that it's strongly scented. My honest opinions about this ELEMIS Lavender Toner, the first thing is that it is strongly scented. So if you guys don't want a toner that is strongly scented, please keep that in mind that this is strongly scented. But overall, it hydrates my skin and it left my skin glowy. For first impression, this lavender toner did an amazing job. I love how it hydrates my skin. My skin feels soft instantly and I just really like it. It's just an amazing product. Like I said, the only thing I just don't like about it is that it has a strong lavender scent to it. But overall, I love it. It's hydrating and I love that it's suitable for all skin types. So remember, it retails for $40 and it's available on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video off of this toner. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe right here, and I'll see you in my next video.